Hello, boys and girls. How are you today? I'm an English teacher, Жанара Болатбековна. I'm a teacher, school lyceum named after Alixan Bukikhanov. Let's begin our today's lesson. Theme of the lesson is use of English, an, some, and any. Lesson's objectives to facilitate pupils' understanding of the functions and usage of articles, to be able to use articles correctly. Okay, pupils, I have a question for you. When you can use a, an, any, or some? We use a, an with countable singular nouns. Nouns we can count to refer to someone for the first time. For example, he is an athlete. It is an orange. It is a car. We use some in the affirmative with countable nouns in the plural and with uncountable nouns. For example, there are some balls, there is some equipments. Next, we use any in the negative and interrogative with countable nouns in the plural and with uncountable nouns. For example, there aren't any tennis balls. Is there any water? Okay, pupils, let's watch the video. After it, we will do some tasks.
Some, any. We've got some amazing chocolate pie. Have you got any apple pie? Can I have some of those? Any donut will do. I don't like some kinds of chocolate. I like any kind of pie. Would you like some more coffee? Would you like any more to drink? Okay, now it's your turn. We've got some amazing chocolate pie. Are they expensive? Have you got any apple pie? No, we don't. Can I have some of those? How many do you want? Any donut will do. All right. Here you are. I don't like some kinds of chocolate. Yeah, I don't like the gooey ones. I like any kind of pie. Even coconut. Would you like some more coffee? Yes, please. Would you like any more to drink? I'm good, thanks.
Let's do exercise 2. You should fill in a or an. You should do it by yourself. Then you should do exercise 3. You should fill in some or any. Summary of class. Pupil, did you understand the topic? When we can use an, when we can use some, any. Your home task will be to make 5 sentences using an, some, and any. Let's do conclusion for our today's lesson. If you understand the theme very well, color the green leaf. If you understand the theme well, color the yellow leaf. If you understand the theme not very well, color the red leaf on the tree. Thank you, boys and girls. The lesson is over. Goodbye.